All right, so if I take a look at 37, 37 said, write an equation standard form of a line that passes through these 2 points where A can't equal 0 and B can't equal 0. All right, so we want standard form. All right, and I have the points 0, comma A and B, comma 0. All right, to write an equation in standard form, I have to start with either point slope or slope intercept form. Okay, I feel like slope intercept form is the easier one to start with, so I'm going to start with that.
Good afternoon. Please pardon the interruption. Would Ava Ola please pack your things and come to the front office? Ava Ola, come to the front office. Thank you.
All right, so I'm going to find my slope first. All right, I'm going to go ahead and just, it doesn't matter which is my x1, y1 and x2, y2. So I'm just going to kind of label these. So I end up with A minus 0 over 0 minus B. So I have my slope is a negative A over B. That's the first part to this. Since I have my y-intercept right here, I already have my B value, which weirdly is A. Okay, so I'm just going to substitute that in. So I have y equals negative A over bx plus A. Are you cool with that? All right. I know this is funky because there's no numbers, right? And that can always be a little bit tricky, which is why I always say to you guys, fall back on what you know. Do the process you know works and see what happens, okay? Always fall back on that. So this is not in standard form because this is in slope-intercept form. So I simply need to add that x term to both sides. So I have A over bx plus y is equal to A. Again, I can't impress on you guys enough that when you're not really sure what to do, fall back on what you know, which is why I'm really big on you showing process and you understand the process behind things. Because on ones like this, even when I look at that, I'm like, okay, here we go. I'm not really sure, but if these were real numbers, if that was like 0, 5, and then 6, 0, this is what I would do. I'm going to do the same thing with just these. Okay? All right, what else can I do for you guys? Yeah. Yeah. Because every y-intercept, so if I was to look at a point that's a y-intercept, every y-intercept has 0 for our x. So that's why it's considered our A here. They were messing with you. By putting an A there and a B there, they were messing with you. But it's just you recognizing how do I know a point is my y-intercept? It's when my x is always 0. Yeah? Is there anything else I can do for you guys for this? All right, put this away, get your notes out. I know you're shocked to hear this, but now we're looking at story problems. I kind of do the same thing for each one. I like to do the skills, and then I like to do story problems so you can focus on each of them individually, which I think is helpful. Yes. Oh, schmazel. Yes. We need to correct those right now. And then we'll do our, yeah, we've got time, so we'll do that real quick. Thank you for reminding me. So just put that away. Yeah. And I'll just do 2 different videos for our friend Elle to watch.